नमस्कार दोस्तों. Good evening to all of you. My name is Abhay Tripathi. Today we are going to talk about the science of economics, that's called Arthashastra in Hindi. So first of all, I would like to define what is economics is about. So economics is the branch of science which deals with the allocation and management of scarce resources of society to get the maximum satisfaction and maximum fulfillment of wants of the people of society. Now, the central problem in any economy, in any society is that the scarcity of resources. Now understand what scarcity of resources mean. Scarcity of resources means that the resources we have to produce the goods and services are limited in quantity. That is, if we talk about land to produce the crop, the land is fixed, it is not increasing. The area of India, the total geographical area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer, which is fixed, which is not increasing. So, if population is increasing, then the land resource, the natural resource, basic natural resource for production of goods, food grain is scarce. It is not unlimited, it is limited in quantity. So this is the problem. The scarcity of resources is the basic fact of life. On the platform, every platform, either you are poor or rich, you have the scarcity of resources. For example, if you don't possess a cycle, then you aspire to get a cycle in future. Now suppose that if you get the cycle, then again you aspire to have a bike. If you have that bike, then you again thought to take a car, and if you have a car, then you again thought to take a private jet, private aeroplane, and this is the unlimited, this is the want. Human wants are unlimited, it's never end. And जहाँ तक बात है स्कैरसिटी ऑफ रिसोर्सेज की, तो वो मुकेश अंबानी के पास भी रिसोर्सेज की स्कैरसिटी है. अगर पैसे की नहीं तो कैपिटल की, लेबर की, टेक्नोलॉजी की स्कैरसिटी है. सो स्कैरसिटी इज़ द बेसिक फैक्ट ऑफ लाइफ. हर जगह स्कैरसिटी है. रिसोर्सेज हमारे स्कैर्स हैं, अनलिमिटेड क्वांटिटी में नहीं है, और हमें अपने गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज को, अपने वांट्स को फुलफिल करने के लिए गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज जो प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं उन्हीं रिसोर्सेज के यूज़ से करने हैं. तो हम अनलिमिटेड क्वांटिटी में गुड्स और सर्विसेज प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकते. जैसे इंडिया की बात करें तो इंडिया में लेबर बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमाउंट में है, लेकिन कैपिटल, टेक्नोलॉजी ये स्कैर्स है. अमेरिका की बात करें तो वहाँ पे कैपिटल है, टेक्नोलॉजी है, लेकिन नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज और लेबर की थोड़ी समस्या है. सो स्कैरसिटी हर सोसाइटी में होती है, चाहे वो अंडर डेवलप्ड हो, डेवलपिंग हो या डेवलप्ड सोसाइटी हो. स्कैरसिटी इज़ बेसिक. ओके. और द सेकेंड थिंग इज़ ह्यूमन वांट्स आर अनलिमिटेड. Unlimited human want, as I explained you, if you got income of 1 lakh, then you aspire to got income of 1.5 lakh per month, and it's ever increasing. Okay, so these two fact. And third factor is a resource can be employed for alternative uses. What is mean? If you have a plot of land, say 1 hectare, अगर आपके पास 1 हेक्टेयर की ज़मीन है तो आप उस पर एक टाइम पे एक ही प्रोडक्टिव काम कर सकते हैं. जैसे अगर आप उस पर गेहूँ उगाना चाहते हैं तो आप उस 1 हेक्टेयर की भूमि पे गेहूँ उगाएंगे, लेकिन उस सेम टाइम पे आप उस प्लॉट ऑफ लैंड पे एक फैक्ट्री नहीं खोल सकते. आप या तो गेहूँ उगाएंगे और नहीं तो फैक्ट्री खोलेंगे. अगर गेहूँ उगाते हैं तो फैक्ट्री नहीं खोल पाएंगे, और अगर फैक्ट्री खोलते हैं तो गेहूँ नहीं उगा पाएंगे. मीन्स दैट, टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल. इफ़ यू हैव 10 rupees, if you use that 10 rupee to take a chocolate, then you can't take a notebook. And if you use that 10 rupees to buy a cold drink, then you can't use it for buying biscuit. Means that if you have a resource, either a financial or natural resource, it can be used at once and for only one productive work at a time. That is, you can't use 10 rupees for buying chocolate, notebook and all that. You can buy only one thing and you have to choose. And here the real problem arises that resources are scarce, your wants are unlimited, and you can't use a single resource for many works, so you have to choose that which alternative to take. Suppose there is a plot of land, and if one wants to produce crop on that field of land, then he has to forgo मतलब उसे फैक्ट्री खोलना बंद करना, मतलब वो फैक्ट्री नहीं खोल पाएगा उस प्लॉट ऑफ लैंड पे अगर वो गेहूं उगाना चाहता है तो. सो दिस इज द बेसिक फैक्ट, एंड दैट्स वाई इकोनॉमिक्स इज कॉल्ड द साइंस ऑफ management and allocation of scarce resources of society to get the maximum possible satisfaction and maximum fulfillment of wants. Now a thing is that if you see a child, if he goes to a shop and he has 1 rupee, and the shopkeeper offers him two choices, that 1 rupee, in 1 rupee you can buy 4 toffees, and in 1 rupee you can buy 2 toffees, then the child will choose 4 toffees in a rupee. That he also wants to maximize his utility, his satisfaction, and it's natural. Everyone learns from his birth in a family, and he's knowing that more is good, and he also wants more in less resources. So this is what economics is all about. Adam Smith is known as the father of economics. He is a Scottish economist, and he has wrote a book, An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nations, in 1776, that revolutionized the economic thought process. And there is another economist, Alfred Marshall, who has given the definition of economics as follow: the economics is the science of human behavior in the ordinary business of life, where human acquire material well-being. So this is all about for today's lecture. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.